Hi guys, gonna make a video. See, this thing is damaged. I was making a wooden dowel and yeah, this got damaged. So now when I start it, this happens. So yeah, that's a problem. Also, look how smooth it is already. Like, that's very smooth. So I'm changing. So here's one with a slightly rougher texture than this one. Just slightly rougher, Also, look at this. Insane amount of dust. So, yeah. So, we are gonna start by taking this off and then unscrewing this bolt.